Today's economy, it's a roller coaster to say the least. The housing crisis, unemployment, the volatile stock markets. Many leading economists paint a very scary picture. Now, this unprecedented volatility and uncertainty of the global markets have created a demand in precious metals that has never been seen before in history, thus creating what many experts are predicting will be the largest transfer of wealth in mankind. And it may just be the beginning. So if you are looking for an opportunity to profit from this, there is already a company who is perfectly positioned and taking advantage of this enormous trend. And all we need is you. Now, for the first time in the history of not only network marketing, but retail or online purchasing, everyday people can purchase gold and silver at the same prices as the largest bullion companies in the world with preservation of wealth. So instead of walking through the front door of a retail coin shop or online dealers and paying extraordinary markups, you'll have the keys to the back door of the largest vaults in the country. So you pay what we pay. Now, how can we do such a thing? That's what makes preservation of wealth so special. It's our unique and proven business model, similar to Sam's or Costco. We make our money, and you'll make your money, from the sale of memberships. So we don't need to add a markup. On top of that, you can also generate a fantastic residual income through our highly sought-after option ship numismatic coin of the month program, which gives you the opportunity to multiply your earnings potential by up to 30 times. The power of these numbers is undeniable. Here's why we are the gold standard for network marketing. Low cost of entry. We are a fraction of the price of our competition, with as much as 3 times the payout. No required monthly fees, yet there is monthly residual income. You can be profitable with as little as 2 to 3 membership sales. Now, precious metals require no explanation. After all, it is the most sought after product in the history of mankind that has historically increased in value. Now, our compensation has one of the highest payouts in network marketing history, paying up to an amazing 75%. And our associates earn both immediate commissions and long-term residual income. All with a company that is debt-free, selling over $50 million a year in precious metals. That's more than all of our network marketing competitors combined. And we help you succeed by guaranteeing your product. If after 4 years, regardless of market conditions, we will buy your numismatic coins back at equal or greater value. Now, if you are like most people, you've wondered where to find an opportunity for additional income by aligning yourself with a company offering a product that everyone wants at the best possible price, that is easy to understand and still be lucrative and worthwhile. Well, congratulations. Preservation of wealth is it. So here you are, at the right place, at the right time, with the right product, the best comp plan, and a money-back guarantee. And best of all, you can succeed in this business without any knowledge of precious metals, numismatics, or economic trends, because preservation of wealth offers the most sought-after product in history at the lowest possible price with a money-back guarantee. All at a time where the perfect economic storm could provide you with the opportunity of a lifetime. Now, let's hear from people just like you.
I've been in the network marketing industry for 17 years, and I've received many auto ships, many vitamins and different kinds of products. And while they've all been great products, they start to lose value from the day that they show up on my doorstep. And with preservation of wealth, they continue to increase in value. And I'm extremely excited about sharing that with others.
As soon as I joined, I more than saved back my membership fee with my very first purchase. I've gone on to save thousands of dollars from the purchases that I've made, And after a period of months, after saving the money and liking the company so much, it dawned on me, if I like it so well, there's probably a few other people out there that would also like it. So I began to market this as a business, the business side of it, and after only 2 short months, I was able to create a full-time income with Preservation of Wealth, working this business only very part-time.
There's no margin on the coins and the bullion. And when you can get people the very, very, very best price on the top product in the world, it gets them excited. But it's not hard. It can be explained on a napkin in 30 seconds. It's not scary. It's not complicated. There are no hoops and loops and roadblocks and fences to keep you from making money. And 80% of the people in America make $500 a week. And if you get in this company, if you take a look at this company, you will be amazed how quickly you can make $500.
What I love about Preservation of Wealth is the product that it has to offer. And I've been in network marketing a number of years. And since day one, I have made money. And the thing I like most about it is the product that I collect is worth more than the currency that I buy it with.
The 3 best parts of the company have to be, number 1, the best price. Go check. Go to Goldline. Go to Roslyn. Go to Lear. They're all out there. Compensation? Look at the other network marketing companies in our industry. Do your homework. We blow them away, up to 3 times the payout. And as far as the grading service, go to graysheets.com. All the information is right there. We use the top graders, and that creates the best value in the coins. It's all right there. It's all in black and white, and it makes our job as networkers so easy because it's not us saying it, it's everybody else. Hands down, there's nothing like Preservation of Wealth out there today.
Click the join button now. Our model is simple and duplicatable. We have proven systems in place that support you every step of the way, so you can have confidence that you are with the right opportunity.